Oh, smells dry. Wow. Wow, that's dry. Yeah, that's dry. Alright, I just dumped that thing and it had a half a tank of water. Oh, road's still damp. Still damp. Rug still has to come up. Let's see over here. Nice and dry over here. The roof didn't leak neither. Damn, I need you to make a sticker before we lose that thing. Or something. Yeah, the roof didn't leak last night. Yeah, look how dry that is. Alright. See the windows. Nothing. Dry. Bone dry. Bone dry. I cleaned them out talking real good last night. Oh, not looking forward to that. I cleaned this all out too. This here's the trouble. He said something leaked. Ooh, I hate Scott's toilet paper. Oh, this is very wet. Wet feeling. What is there? Is that a... Yeah. Okay. See enough of that. Yeah. We'll fix those drains. Oh, look at that little plunger. That needs to go in the trash. Oh, I didn't notice there was a light here. I don't know what that do. Baby. Oh, it goes out and around. Oh, it might. Oh, no. I don't know, but it goes around. Oh, well. Anyway, after I get the shop front, I'm going to tear out this, well, I'm going to take up this chair, and then I'm going to see about this carpet. Alright, one last video. I wanted to show you this. Look at that junk. Oh, son of a gun. But it's cold in here. Oh yeah, that thing's freezing. This thing works. Just needs a little sweeperoo, a little spring cleaning.